Hi, are you ready to kickstart your yoga practice? Well, if you've been sitting too long or lazing around too much or just need a structured program to get you back into your yoga groove, then this series is for you. This is a Kickstart program that has 7 different practices. Yes, you can do 7 different practices one day at a time or just mix them all up. You'll find that they're easy, accessible, and guess what? They're fun. Hi, I'm C-IAYT Morris, and I'm a certified yoga therapist, and I am the founder of Yoga Vista, and I welcome you to this practice. It's a 7-day challenge. Each class is about 15 to 25 minutes, and we focus on lots of different themes. We'll focus on posture and balance and back care and movement and mobility and fun. This program is based on chair yoga. We will do poses that are sitting down. We'll do poses that are standing up. As always, you can pace yourself. You can stay seated the whole time. And when you're standing, you can hold on to the chair. That's the reason why we use a chair. It's our great companion to get us to be a little bit stronger. We are at the beautiful Rancho Guajome Adobe here in Southern California. Look at this beautiful environment. And every single one of these classes, we're going to have a different location. So you'll have a beautiful tour of the Adobe as you work out with me. Always remember to check in with your doctor or your healthcare provider to make sure that these kind of practices are good for your health condition. As we age, we know that we need to take good care of ourselves. Just like this Adobe is so beautiful because it's been well taken care of. This series will help you do that. I hope you enjoy this beautiful program I created for you here at the Adobe, and I'll see you at the ranch. Namaste. 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 We'll see you at the ranch. Namaste.